about me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Good morning. We're on a little walk to get breakfast.
Yep.
This hotel that we stayed at last night.
Pretty nice.
Three bedroom suite.
Yeah.
It's called Aiken's Lodge here in Kanab, Utah. It's a sister hotel to Best Western. So in order for us to get breakfast, we have to walk to the Best Western, but it's no big deal because it's like a block away. It's hard to find a hotel that accommodates 6 people. So the majority of the nights, Kayla and I have been sleeping on like a sofa bed.
We're trying to be nice to let our parents have the actual beds.
So it's like a little bit of a treat when we can actually like get a bed. So like we found this hotel where it's a 3-bedroom suite with 3 queen beds.
Yeah.
And the funniest part is it's literally the cheapest. It seems like the nicer the hotels that we've been finding,
The cheaper they are.
the cheaper. And we're half an hour outside of Zion.
Like last night we had a cheap, the other night, 2 nights ago we had a cheap one too. It was like 180 a night. I mean, we had a couch, but it was still a really nice room.
So last night with the 3 bedrooms, 3 queen beds, we only paid $134 with taxes and fees.
Yeah.
So we're in a close vicinity of a lot of touristy stuff, close to the north rim of the Grand Canyon, Horseshoe Bend, half an hour away from Zion.
Because we found ourselves that we actually have an extra day now. So we're adding on different things now that we didn't think we could do. So we ended up deciding to rebook this hotel for another night. Got it even cheaper now. It's $112.
It was like $94 before taxes and fees.
So we're like, yeah, we're gonna book it, and got to keep the same room so we don't have to move our stuff. So we get to go explore and then just come back here again tonight.
So, well, we're about to get some breakfast and then probably hit the road to go to Zion National Park. All right, a little bit of an update. Not gonna do Zion today. Instead, we're gonna check out Escalante Grand Staircase National Monument or something like that. Horseshoe Bend and North Rim of the Grand Canyon. Good morning.
Good morning.
This figure is easy because we fly out of Vegas, and right now we're a little over 3 hours away from Vegas. Zion is about 2 hours away from Vegas, so we figure we'll leave from Zion to Vegas to fly out. It's like sprinkling here and there, so it's kind of ruining the opportunities for a nice drone flight. We're at like a prime location right now, which is the Carl Hayden Visitor Center, which is, there's a nice beautiful bridge with a nice beautiful dam. Hello, boys and girls. We've arrived at Horseshoe Bend. Kayla and I did this a couple years ago. We didn't really document it, but obviously now we got the parents.
We weren't vlogging them.
Yeah, we didn't have this whole YouTube thing a couple years ago when we were here. But it was raining, cleared up for us to take this beautiful hike. About a 1.5 mile round trip. So hope you enjoy the views as we do. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a lot of people here. It's kind of packed for a Thursday. So we were just way over there at the dam, and I tried to put the drone up like a mile out, and it wouldn't let me because my drone has an authorization like GPS no-fly zone enabled.
It knows when it's within like range of a national monument.
So it knew that I was next to that dam in a no-fly zone. Even like 2 or 3 miles away, we made a stop to try to launch it, and it still wouldn't let me launch it. So
It probably would come up for here too.
yeah, and we're now like hiking to Horseshoe Bend, which is a no-fly zone naturally. So it is what it is. What do you think? Worth $35?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Now is the true story.
Yeah, going back up.
Yeah, it's all uphill.
Good job, everybody.
Yes, thank you.
How was it?
Great. Challenging. Apparently I did an awful lot of writing.
Okay, let's get to the van before this comes.
Well, it's not raining right now, but it is, or it was, where we were, and it is where we're gonna be going, which is the north rim of the Grand Canyon. We just passed through like a torrential downpour of like the Marble Canyon, and Horseshoe Bend was starting to get it like right before we left. So we're gonna have to change our plans, and we're gonna head back to Kanab, which is where our hotel is, and see if we can find something to do there, because the radar does not look good for the north rim of the Grand Canyon for the time that we'll get there. So it is what it is.
That's super cool because of the clouds. You following me?
No.